In this class we will work with part mirroring, using the command mirror, which facilitates the modeling of symmetrical parts, because we can create only half of the model and mirror the other part, quickly and efficiently. Let's see how to use this command. Open the available template and see that we have half of an adjustment base that is part of a stamping tool. To easily get the other part, we activate the mirror command. Note that we can mirror solid features, faces and bodies, using flat faces or reference planes as mirroring reference. First we must select a flat face or the reference plane through which the mirroring will be performed and select the face shown. Next, depending on the type of item we want to mirror, we must enable the appropriate box for the selection. In our case, see that with the option feature we have to select one by one the characteristics of the model and not all of them are possible to mirror. So, because we want to mirror the whole piece, we activated the option bodies to mirror and see that with just one click we select the entire piece and have the preview displayed. Finally we have some options. Merge solids must be enabled so that the result of the mirroring is a single solid body. Knit surfaces must be activated so that surfaces containing tangents to each other are joined in the mirroring, forming a single surface. And the Propagate Visual Properties option must be active for visual properties to be repeated in mirrored entities or bodies. We confirm the command and observe the result. We have only one solid and all the features have been repeated correctly through the reference face. Explore the options of this command by applying it to other parts. We finished this lesson, where we learned to use the command mirror. That allows us to create mirroring geometries in an agile and practical way, contributing to faster and more efficient modeling.